Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to make desktop shortcuts for websites. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing that we need to do is to look or find the website that we want to make a shortcut out of. Let's say for this instance, YouTube. We're going to simply copy that site using Ctrl+C, and then we're going to head on over to our desktop, right click on our screen, and go to New. And from there, shortcut button will appear. After that, we're going to simply paste that link there, and we're going to name that shortcut. For example, let's put it to YT. And from there, the shortcut has been created. It might seem that it is the Google Chrome logo, but if you want to customize it, that's a video or that's a tutorial for another video. But if you click on this YT or in this icon, this application, it will send you to the link that you've inputted in to. And that's how you make a desktop shortcut for websites. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.